But after you've got your tent, sleeping bags and all the camping accessories, all the essentials, there's one accessory that keeps proving very, very useful, and that's one of these. It's a little side table. This is the new Outwell Hazelton Coffee Table, and these just prove so useful, these little side tables for putting things on. Here's what it looks like outside the bag. So yeah, it's great with some of these Outwell items. They come with their own little travel case, makes it so much easier to store, pack and get to the campsite. This one's actually wrapped in plastic though, so I'm just rip the plastic off. Let's see what it looks like. You can see it's actually really quite simple. So you've got this top, which you could use, I suppose, as a tray, and it comes complete with instructions on there. Doesn't look too difficult, does it? Let's see if I can do this whilst holding the phone. The answer is almost. Oh yes, they just simply slot in there, turn it round, and there we go. Perfect little side table. These little side tables also make perfect little bedside tables.